Gabi gabi, fasonga jalan. This is a young farmer by the name of Guji.
Ah, this is so skin.
We call him LJ.
Ooh, yeah.
Auntie Gogo is talking to you. It's a giant stalk. The plant whisperer.
Okay, now we're back for some more veggies. This is my coriander. And Jimmy gave it to me. Nice coriander over there. See, it smells so nice. Now going into the corn stalk. You all move. Corn stalk. So windy. Oh, and there's some more corn.
Just taking what's heavy on the stalk
to
relieve the pressure.
Yes. Oh, and there's some armament.
From next door. It's not ours.
So if you want some aromats, hey, because
in distress.
corn is aromats, kind of like aromats, and there's aromats on the floor. So, well.
Corn tastes good with aromats.
Yeah, because they're kind of like the same thing.
But look at this.
Whoa. Please.
Yeah. You know it's yummy when the bugs start eating it.
Maybe the bugs are also helping relieving the pressure by eating it and making it more lighter. Look at all these veggies. All these green stuff of veggies and healthy stuff. There's some more corn right over there.
That's why we started with the Lugazi. And then
Oh, and there's Auntie Coco. Wait, you can't see her, so let me just zoom in my coriander on the flat. She has a cow. Yeah, there she is. Yeah, there she is. You see that blue, just like lady? Yeah, that's Auntie Coco. So yeah, I hope you like this channel. Go on the Fabulous New Trucker to see more.
ciao.
Peace.
Adios.